Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, I'll walk you through step-by-step on how to install and use Kodi 21.1 on your FireStick. Kodi is an amazing platform for streaming all your favorite content, so let's get started. Section 1. Enable FireStick to install apps. First, we need to enable the option to install apps from unknown sources. Here's how. Go to your FireStick home screen and select the Settings gear icon. Navigate to My Fire TV or Device and Software and select it. Click on Developer Options. Turn on Apps from Unknown Sources and confirm by selecting Turn On. Also, enable ADB debugging for smoother app installations. And that's it. Your FireStick is now ready to install third-party apps like Kodi. Section 2. Downloading the Downloader app. Next, we need a tool to download Kodi. We'll use the Downloader app. On the FireStick home screen, go to the search icon, magnifying glass. Type Downloader and select it from the suggestions. Click Download or Get to install the app. Once installed, open Downloader and grant the necessary permissions. Section 3. Installing Kodi 21.1. Now, let's install Kodi 21.1. In the Downloader app, type the URL https://kodi.tv, download and click Go. Once the Kodi website loads, scroll down and select the Android option. Since FireStick is Android-based, choose the RMV7, a 32-bit version under the Kodi 21.1 section. The download will begin. After it's complete, click Install. Once installed, click Open to launch Kodi for the first time. And just like that, you've successfully installed Kodi 21.1 on your FireStick. Section 4, setting up Kodi 21.1. Now that Kodi is installed, let's set it up. When you open Kodi for the first time, you'll see the home screen with categories like movies, TV shows, and music. To add more features, you can install add-ons. For example, go to the add-ons menu on the left. Click Download and browse through official add-ons like YouTube or weather apps. If you want to install third-party add-ons, you'll need to enable unknown sources in Kodi. Go to Settings greater than System greater than Add-ons greater than Turn on Unknown Sources. Be cautious and only download add-ons from trusted sources. Section 5. Exploring Kodi's features. Kodi is highly customizable. Here are some tips to get started. Add your personal media library by connecting external storage or a local network. Install skins to change the interface's look and feel. Use Kodi's search bar to quickly find content. Whether you're streaming videos, playing music, or even retro gaming, Kodi has something for everyone. Conclusion. And that's it, folks. You're all set to enjoy Kodi 21.1 on your FireStick.